Guys, if you have ever wanted to sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, or coaching services, you probably know how overwhelming it feels at the start. Between figuring out payment options, building a store, and just trying to make everything look professional, it is easy to lose momentum before you even launch. And if you do not have money to invest in a new business, that pressure feels even heavier. That is why in this video I want to show you a simpler way. I'm Daniel, and welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we are walking through Payhip, a platform that makes it easy to set up your store, upload your digital products, and actually start selling without the technical headaches. And the best part is there are no upfront costs, which makes this perfect if you are starting with a $0 budget. We will go step by step through adding your first product, connecting payments, and customizing your store so it feels like yours. By the end, you will see how to get your first digital product online and ready to sell in just a few minutes. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let us jump in. So guys, Payhip is a service for selling online items that lets you create professional stores without any technical skills. It's an e-commerce solution that focuses on items like ebooks, templates, and courses, while also supporting physical goods. One of the biggest perks of Payhip is that you don't need to spend a dime to get started. There are no upfront costs, so it's perfect if you're launching on a $0 budget. You also get a built-in store builder that's super easy to use, plus smooth integrations with Stripe, PayPal, and other payment processors. Folks, that means you can sell your digital products from anywhere and even give customers local payment options. And here's the cool part. Payhip recently launched its own marketplace, so your products can sit right next to other creators' work, giving you extra exposure without any extra effort. You can sign up using the link in my description box to follow, along with my tutorial. Now guys, let's go to the dashboard and add our first product. As we can see, Payhip offers 6 main types of products for sale. A digital product is ideal for ebooks, software, templates, and other downloadable files, and it's the choice most creators start with. A course helps you organize content into modules and lessons for structured learning. A membership provides recurring access to exclusive content, while a physical product lets you sell tangible items with shipping options. Coaching service allows you to offer one-on-one sessions with clients with the option of scheduling time. Finally, folks, a bundle lets you combine multiple products into a single discounted package. We'll start with a digital product, as it's the most versatile option. First, we fill in the basic details and upload the file. Then we set a title and a price. Let's go with $19.99, which should be appealing to potential buyers. Next, we add a cover image, which will appear as the thumbnail in the store. In the description section, folks, we can use the visual editor to craft an engaging overview with formatting, lists, and highlights. Finally, the visibility settings let us control who can see this item. Visible makes it accessible to all visitors, invisible keeps it private, and unlisted allows access only through a direct link. Now let's look at the advanced options, guys. We see that the product has been added, and we can copy the link or preview it. We can see the cover image we uploaded and the product page. At this point, we can also connect our PayPal or Stripe account to immediately start accepting payments. But if you click See All Payment Options, folks, you'll find other payment processors available in your region. To connect PayPal, we simply add our email, and for Stripe, we just connect the Stripe account. When Stripe is connected, we can manage it and start receiving payments for the product we created. We can also set up billing and invoices with a very flexible system of pricing plans. If we use Payhip free forever, we will pay a 5% transaction fee. If we want to reduce the fee, we can upgrade to a Plus or Pro account, guys. These plans offer the same features, but with lower fees, 2% on the Plus plan and no transaction fee at all on the Pro plan. We can also configure taxes, shipping, and advanced settings, and fully manage the account. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! We can distribute our link and sell products directly through it. In addition, we can fully customize the store design. By launching the store builder, we can adjust the header, upload the store logo. It is also possible to edit navigation links by adding new pages. Folks, you can configure the header's appearance, including width, fixed position, and the announcement bar, and decide whether to enable it or not. This way we can run promotions. We can also add elements such as a call to action button and similar features. This gives us a complete online store with flexible settings. We can add our own sections and edit everything without spending money on hosting, a domain, or the deployment of a separate online store. Selling becomes possible with just a couple of clicks by setting everything up directly on payhip.com. And guys, we can publish our store, let visitors access it, and start selling products. In addition, we have access to detailed analytics that show views, purchases, product statistics, and traffic sources. We can also run marketing campaigns and add coupon codes or launch discounts. It's possible to connect an affiliate program, create email campaigns, cross-sell, add upgrades, and set up a referral system linked to our Payhip account to receive bonuses. Payhip also functions as a CRM system where we can view customers, subscribers, and everyone who visits and purchases our products. Here we see the dashboard, where all of this can be monitored and managed effectively. Guys, with a good understanding of Payhip's tools, it's time to put it side by side with other popular e-commerce platforms to see the differences in setup, features, and ease of use. When it comes to store setup, Payhip provides a built-in store builder that requires no coding or hosting, which makes creating a functional online store fast and straightforward. Shopify also offers a robust builder and many apps. However, folks, beginners may find the initial setup more time-consuming due to the need for third-party integrations. Also, Shopify charges subscription fees, and some people might not have the budget to pay those expenses when you're just starting out and don't have any income yet. Plus, Shopify is usually more geared towards selling physical products, so you'll need to install third-party apps to sell digital products, which could add to your cost. WordPress with WooCommerce offers the most flexibility, guys, but it requires hosting, plugin management, and technical configuration, which can slow down the process. Weblium has a simple drag-and-drop builder and templates, making it quicker to launch than Shopify or WordPress, but customization options are limited. In terms of payments, marketing, and content protection, Payhip includes Stripe and PayPal integration out of the box, folks. It also provides tools for coupons, affiliate programs, and content security. Shopify can offer similar functionality, though often through paid apps, and WordPress relies heavily on plugins for these features. Weblium provides basic options suitable for smaller stores or beginners. When you look at analytics and workflow, guys, Payhip consolidates sales, traffic, and customer data in a single dashboard. This simplifies store management and promotions. Shopify offers detailed analytics, while WordPress depends on external plugins or services, and Weblium provides only basic tracking. For quick start sellers, Payhip provides a streamlined setup with all essential growth features. All in all, my friends, each platform has its strengths. Shopify is strong for large stores with many apps. WordPress is flexible for custom solutions, and Weblium is easy to use with visual templates. But for someone who wants to start selling quickly, without technical setup, Payhip offers a straightforward workflow. And that's a wrap, folks. The great thing about Payhip is how effortlessly it turns your ideas into a real store. You can start selling digital products in minutes, protect your content, track your sales, and even run promotions, all from one simple dashboard. Whether starting out or growing, it helps you reach the right audience. With analytics, marketing tools, and a marketplace for extra visibility, everything you need to succeed is right at your fingertips. You can add products, accept payments, and start selling in minutes. So while other platforms have their perks, Payhip is the fastest way to get started for beginners or small sellers. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.